Announce soli chinse chiganyo kwa ikire kore video iga. Keep sharing, help me by sharing to your people. Uye bugo toka gaiga no kuimanya no wesomya boigo no kwegokia kire mambia egerto koletera mangana mange akurwa samagendro chi county chitu bere cha gusi Kisii na Nyamira boigo twagenda se county emerongo ene na isano na ibere cha Kenya for 7 counties aso muchio igo Kenya twakwenda mangana national government twagenda East Africa twagenda Africa twakorera kogenda Senge, that is the world. Litkulia lero lia Jumanne twata mangana mange tukochikwandra mangana abiriga okolekana se litkulia igoro na ya kolekana de mambia ya boniga na yagende tukunya okolekana ya gotebekana igo meaning na just be here kirenge kana gotoka gaiga litosemani mambia ya boniga. Good morning habari ya asubuhi, good morning kabu akire ntebi ngonga kimo kwa nani asemambi wewe unasalimia aje watu wa kwenu asubuhi ikifika. Inakuwa mzuri tena zaidi. Nchenkuru kwa Brian Makinight, the king himself, be the king. Not only my my sister from another mother, the queen herself. Good morning, my sister.
Ukoje? Good morning, Bwari.
Hey.
Yes, it's another day. I'm grateful to be here this morning.
Yesterday you were wearing pink. Today it's this is black.
No, it's navy blue.
This is Igorana lete color, but today
color blind but it's all black na venga navy blue, but it's navy blue. Yes,
talk to your people.
Confused my people. Good morning Inkavu Akire. Karibuni sana sege pindi geto kia romambi kwa kunga Inkavu Akire kurugaiga ase INKA TV podcast pamoja na Cheki FM tuikirega emambi ya bono tukujulishe netokogo kitukwana na mangana turingetega ase rogongoro wetu rwakusi na Kenya as a whole. So karibuni sana, share this link to your family, to your friends. But having karibuni sana, the great team is here to chake our great conversation. Conversations kaya naende galia sti comment to tebinga yoko ligere likuru bono mambi na inde karibu Inka.
Thank you so much Lisa se ngakwa bokire kuru abantu mbia bale
mtena bokire buya abantu mbia bale
right
abantu mbia bale
yes Mong'ina mbia by the way
taibwete buya lakini ya Mungu anaendelea kumsaidia.
Asante ya mwechingu.
Konya kobokali.
Asante ya mwechingu tonya komorora. Bia kabisa. So litukole antu wata mangana mange to kwandira gaiga. Lakini gitanga ni tuko chakira kuruchinse mochi Amabuko lia Kitutu Masaba. By the way Amabuko I think it's in Kitutu Masaba constituency.
Yeah.
Abana kuruchinse mochi Amabuko litukole igoro nigo ba complain tia bange saba nabana gwetani miem. Actually 170 students niko ba complain tie ma enda kubaruma abande bagosa abande bakugunse binte binge. By the way yo kero esigento ketamanyikana tinki kyarenge bakamnyoki gucinya gitari gucichinse mu cyakero kaichu ni abande wapi mochando lengo monene sana timezo samana kwa nyinyi
na arora mangana ya igoro ndo metekero na roche story ya Amabuko ndo chenga bana ba complain about abana bali go vomit na diarrhea buna kwa kwanire igo lakini they're still saying investigations are underway bama itinga ninki kiarenge lakini it was after a meal na inyo leta mangana bete western Time think spirit ke gendrete ase school.
Never western yoka by the way abana babiri ba complain na igoro ye anande abangi igoro ya mangana yenda mechando engeyo.
Yes, but recently to aroche story ya Mukumu girls. Mukumu girls nja tualete shida muneye amache batebetali ngamabe abana bali kunyo school bali gutumia. Tukaru Mukumu girls ikarete shida sana baka abana bande babete transferred from a school way. Abana nende bakaigoleru bakairana na inde for the second time nende ka happen so baka measures chikaba taken water sa now source tigebe different as a school na jabana bashte bona kuirana na inde buya bona iga ende kwaro che regi girls
regi by the way.
Is it a regi?
Yeah.
Yes, is it a regi?
Yes, it's a regi.
Okay. Yes, you saw what happened there. It was bantombali ku understanding aninki kiaringe roiregete bure mysterious ukabwata bana nge skuru ingima wono nainda mangana ya tobererega igagusi Amabuko what is really happening akia bantu bakometinga ninki kegendrete nainda boniga roche ire third term itamwegere sensitive exams boniga bantu ngakora bali ya matemu anyway bana barwalire But let's wait and see what happened. Might be food poisoning.
Karena gotegerera mo headmaster kose mo principal kwa Rawlings Juma. Ninga otebanga bana baigani go bachage to complain about stomach problem, abandi bakora diarrhea, abandi bako asimura. Bono eyuka working something is not right. Kerba gete report ucha se aba banyagitari bachitegali signs iyo koroki sign iyo go vomit iyo go diarrhea nini you fast munyagitari akurigirira ntakorengera mostly is food poisoning kina kintu gitanga ngiye kuba detected no yege therapy mo keli uku imagine what is happening gae karokulige food poisoning yego cha kurigirira mache wacha kurigirira ndagire libalia n'ibintu biri byonsi people no abantu mbagitalia abanyagitalia mbagitalia umu MCA wichuni ward na gitalia Baibuli mbachi to sabonge zaidi gotaka kumanyanga afya y'abana babonga kire lakini wikira boniga ondeta iyo osiritibu mabwae abange babeire in stable conditions bairaniri guchinsema chi school bagendera n'amasomo abo bali balenge in critical conditions baleta tubo songo gaiga KTRH abandi bakairu chinsemo cha ichuni ward keroka sub county hospital bonsi pi gente kenene nkilito bateba supplying yendagira uchese school you know abantu mbara konyoranga umuntu ago supply go cheskuru bo saigo singin chamanyire you know endagire ko ba supplied go cheskuru tigebe regulated in a good way because abana ba ko skuru nabona nyal wasiarete ezuguma eliyogo moisonde
lakini
bono watch kwake sabu ngakiri ko liyogo supply ile ikire kwa mnyoge ezuguma wasiarete eliyogo you know aye chibesoligere lakini umo bana baiga balire skuma esialire osiriyo kwa begete bitumelio mbiri ligana bolita besumu pase batire ne matukali yoko balicha bicha gutumeka pengine taraika ono kwanyoranga baikira aliri asiru yale ta stomach problems jina nana balera aleto na bana bakwe mo esingencho ya negligence inge igo supply ile okorbocha se school abali mutika babe very cautious na supply ile kubeku gochese school ndagire goso se school na ebana mache ali akwa supply
because ekero konyoranga bona abantu abange bagwasi munonya nabalimu ngekero bona ina abana bara abange school people tend not to take care
because
extra care nonya chistoshie school
yes just
timatimu sembaka bona igantukiri twalinge school aba ngakibare koruko senga kiaba healthy Aitor ko kaba eliti ngocha baringe school ba investigate barora nanga inonye ndagerebe kire
community health workers morning ambaro wasobonge by the chi county chon spinche egu community health workers abange
some foods overstaying in the stores za mashura
konyoranga by the way kuma kwangnyiri ale ndiro ma school ma tama no kulindagira yesikume bere test for 1 week is normal
it's normal
but that is a problem
it's a problem imagine ukiepuka it's just by luck na ndio bonega unajua sasa hiyo watoto wamechange ile mili yenye tulikuwa nayo kitambo sio hii iko sahi tali
abajiemo na ba
Kumbuka shule
ya lero dinga
tore ko igora muna lero mtu analeta chapo shule kula for 2 weeks
nige gotebekana nga baliete eskuma marago basapa eskume yakarbaliete sapa na lia bangi bachagete ko complain ne cabbage yes bono igo na kie kunyali kananga na beko ba ndagira so tikabantu babe keen on that talking about health in one of my topics ngoteba na alikuligerelia about health afya y'omuntu health is wealth sometimes lisa say timati osekwanya konyor experience on a bed ekerurualite your experience in the hospital when you are sick even if it's not you maybe your neighbor maybe your family member what have you ever learned from the hospital bed
health is wealth health is wealth umetendelea kurwara iga yani mpaka watu banga akinikipona tu hivi hata kama sina pesa yani nipone tu nitakuwa sawa health is wealth health is ntokerete yani to take keen interest but kuwa mgonjwa tu ndio utajua rwara enonye ne lino lyoka
by the thing ngotebi nandende abantu bategerete iskogaiga kenden keyo kebuete afya yao.
Yes.
Aso
Yeah, yeah.
Yani genton keyo no tuara chi million no tuara chi besa no ba maskini no ba gento ki. Genton keyo kebuete afya yao. Ay kubueta afya ringia kragre nya sa ngambia mo. Nganya sa rero biande nabo kabiyan ko ya nande. Ne mechando ne babu ne rabe. Ay kragre nya sa ngambia mo. So I've seen people risking their health because of work. I've seen people risking their health because of ebinte binge essence. Entonte kokote biskogali yo ligereti mambia boniga afya yago ne amana sana. Okweyana kwa kumubiro yiga tubwate spare. Abantu bali nyagitali bakwerese mechando erigali sikitanda kilinya gitali. Bagote yanga kiti ganche ngenda nyakobera mwane sikontali kokora kende.
So many silent prayers. Chiatevi wasinya gitali. Chiwol chinya gitali chigure so many silent prayers.
Conversions chabiri chinyige. Ase chiwol chinya gitali. Yeah. Ekaro ngukwanrego umungwana yo mubwate uburuhire nande in fact nyagitali no kumanyire binte bingi. No kumanyira friends mbarabia baye. No kumanyira ngo who are the family. No kumanyira ngo who are the close people to you. No kumanyira ngo kumbe afya nero ya maana kubwa kendi yonse. No kumanyira ngo kumbe iga gente kiango take for granted. This is me. Umuntu kwa bune kukuru kwa kusunga for 1 year.
Yeah. Let me tell you, ugonjwa is another thing. Yani of all things soko sabera?
Yeah.
Sabera good health. Yeah.
Ekero tokende kwandegoro ya good health boniga health nere devolved into kwande telit kuligoro. Nga health is devolved, health is on the governor's hands, and it's a good thing ekere health yerego chase governor make sure nga umuntu yonero manyite kirikinyoro. Maite health ekere rigora alia na behera bako mwake. Bono ekere governor ko work closely ne minister for health in national government. Nige ko baraisi singinje governor can detect kirenya gitali kira wapi ekigendete sechinya gitali. Na ndo tebia governor baito. Never joke with these health people. Never joke with the health of the people in your county.
Yeah.
Do aragal chinsa mochinya mirantu akonde metigento kirkia bete gali aba mo minister.
Yeah.
Ago chaga kabisa abantu baka chibicha barali baikali bali ka story kumbe ne box chiroro. That is joking with the health of the people.
Yeah.
Digo abantu tiba maintain about kulgeria mangana ya afya esinginjonaro again to kiamana sobugima. So we wish well abana bali Amabuko secondary school nyasati gabakonya ande bantu baditamini mapema ngiyeko gerebiga byaba mbicha koba ase school chinde chiahusi.
Yeah. Nishakoba because it's a serious thing, by the way. Wish them all the best, quick recovery. Yeah.
Okay, talking about education bado tutararuoro. Class 8 students na form 4 na boy Kisii. Do you know about Kisii?
CBC.
Matemba kora kuru Kisii. Unabona to kwanda about KCPE. Na boy go to kwanda about Kisii. Kisii na boy go to kwanda about KICS. KCPE ngeminete by the way.
Kenya Certificate of Primary Education. Yeah.
Tombori
Kisii.
Kisii nero na ya primary aya grade 6 kango naboli Omochokoro Onyamora Kisii minute siginjo eren kolenginga na bara manyebu ngo singinjo inamuhusu inamuhusu sana mwana cherish kukorali Kisii ono Omochokoro no bawe chakota yi meaning ya Kisii but rende they be sitting around this tubwate candidate sato ntubwate Kisii tugatwara KCPE na bogo tugatwara KCSE and I think KCPE to be for the last time singing chonkole ngina bwabo mwelio bono again tuna kiagera na leta mangana egali sase preparation of a candidate. Just to give us your own experience on how you are prepared when you were doing class 8. Class 8 to Michael and form 4. Do you remember?
Can I remember? Yes, I remember. Like in memories. KCP. Unatwari prepare?
Yes, even if it's not you, preparation of a candidate. Karokora aligeli mwana class 8. Na wana bokoro you can reminisce your own about how the preparation were.
Yeah. Kwanza sisi tulikuwa tunapigwa, yani wacha niache story ya kupigwa sana. Preparation so twari uchaka na prayers day. Timezi kwa sababu prayers day njire chi skuru.
Nero mapema sana.
prayers day twae guchi list twenyorete mna twa kagulire mpaka sandpaper una scrub hiyo kiti yako yenye unaenda kukaa because ufai kuandika kitu yoyote but reading pia revision ilikuwa yes but again we had so many people coming to talk to us unamuja wakora matemu unabona ku relax your parents wanakuja wanakuambia hii kitu ni rahisi you will do it like even our mental health was well taken care of before we start for exam yes. So if you have the right equipment you've revised well mental health yako iko sawa yeah that is all what we needed at that time
ona bahati yago ne linga wasomete school yaime bahati yaone linga wasomete boarding school esawa ibo libagoja mwarangeli baka wata abantu baka
mental health wata abantu bale gocha batokwanira
yes ono tiankwere seguro ye day school because nchena koleta se day school yoko genda na nira nanka ande majority na otorao amate mwa class 8 ekera okolekana iga no konyora bonde bintu bigoche bingi mwetu mwanafunzi ogokora ogosome day school ogochanka umuntu iga nababweka ino mwibuli onde wensekera rule school nababweka umuntu onde wensekera rule school because tigasi sinda muzo jumbara
kabisa
ega nkano atakire ngombe ega nkano atakire ko ranki tokoli margoba ega no atakire ko rachianga ngichasu bimwe kinyomba ya omunga kinyomba ya yani nabaingi muntu onde wensi oleka bono ase bati kuchiabera asa abantu bari candidate kero ikire candidate amatukali guchikokorera mate ali na roko nyoro mulembe
special treatment
ali na gochaga korango muibuli yogo no yogo bono tali boss ya gose bono tuli mufanyikazi ali na robo no konyora bible bako encouraged ngabono mwana oyiga mwe humble time umwana oyiga mwe libaga atimuke umwana oyiga mwe libaga ta twara stress mwana we mweli bagata atwara ebirengereri mweli bagara agere buya iga no ne mili go chago chenchinka
makoko boli unkio igwete kolie
tigo ko unkio kolie gabo no mogote gwa bible kerba kale to prayers ono ga prayers no mogote una bible abana bono bayali baga batimuke abana bono bayali baga batware birengereri biya abana bono bayali baga baragere buya kwanyoranga umwe bono chakre ko bwata mambio letira kanyama kwanyoranga mama rero chakre koleta chin esu mambiende nonye kuigura kagena ga soire na gamate mogote ngunda bana mbanywe chai yani banyirongori ese nje bachi kubinyoka isikoli yokalioka at least bana tigabanyore chai ya mabere Leo ndio kwa raka mugati ga chake gocha umwibuli bwatera ni bwetera nyonyoro golre aka bruba ndi wakiro mugati preparation ilia bono na lia bana bago chikonyora nandi bono togote bya bible bali batulikirite mambi aboni ngaki abana baino engaki bago chikora matem ngaki stress ya bere nyinge bwate na aya matuko na atatu sumonto class 8 mogolera at least nere kandagira igakaba bya niko ga okay yo ngo bwa stable morusel chigas chiriko nya korona eba chialinge chiamana amatuka iga moyambo time at least matemniga ocha katare sarasin chumutinyo matemniga ocha katare sarasin chumutinyo so it's not far preparing your child for that singing jenesa tugetia for life go chikumuira say positioning now make sure ngano moete humble time irengia kabisa mwana iga ta chago blame nga mama ne rongete chigas ta to le kuma nanka no by the way iga no domestic violence bono mu bwene to gotika
inachangia sana
mu bwene te koro kimbo imbe buna bible ngankunya kuma na mole kwanyoranga wotuko mama na tata ne segi nande no gochikora mutema
wana bako chikuriva isi mundu tanyikora nonye ne gitabu nkikirikire because of ile disturbance area se kwa nyumba mwana tago concentrate honestly yes it was special treatment nengi lakini special treatment nero those few days
tali nero honestly birengera byo moiboli anya wake sabu ngaki mwana oyo tiga triste mugolere at least na kagena yanga karange bon tolko mutena ne rande ku karanga wanya mambi ndo mwibuli wakati tiga na mangane jinsi yaga nge bono koraki tiga babande bako konya mumrumi no konya muswati bino singi chiboni ganere nguchi tiga some mbaya zaidi bono gano konya raba nafunzi na baba chibatu ali mitumi igabono imbora bono mbali gosoma ono gano konya baba konya free time yogo chat mo excuse batu ali gano konya free time na baba aba nafunzi nene karmara ro moibuli akorega nere mo at least ambo time tigana ko mor no mogechi nanda ko chinsi yago ite kurumambi baka mnarogoba osinyu
by the way abana mbali ndio kwa sababu nilikuwa nakuambia the other time nkororanga our government sometimes the education system is not fair because the same KCPA toko koraga iga nero mwana ole manyeta turukana gokora bali ba North Eastern nero ba gokora bali ba Nairobi na ba gokora like it doesn't mind their conditions they set the same exam paper sometimes it's unfair umeto mwana naro gosoma bonege public school obokire mambi okanyira chinsiaga mbabo atistima inyora mwabo okolere omwakisiko before giza ingie ameingia amelala akiamka asubuhi ochiro kenyire chinsiaga oirire mpaka mabere para oniria mabere oiranire gocha kumuka kuna watoto wadogo wao awa prepare pia ji prepare agende school lunch nero komanyanga kilunch yakorosi irie kengere ko kia lunch eretari gochia nyore lunch ire mesa igoro atarudi a prepare lunch wakule arudi shule jioni atarudi kuosha vyombo za lunch ngosi biari mpaka chianga chia bana babande atafanya kila kitu hiyo time pia anafaa kuharakisha homework before giza ingie menta bebo nyumba taba mafuta ya nagora ama mafuta ya tokoro sege ndangira yoka
kwanza unakongire
akongire maona ko muntu tali gosoma zwi mpaka saa 3 by saa 3 is eta erimigo so you have to do everything you go back to school omwana yo ta ko in the same mind yo mwana oli settled honestly when the conditions are different
so
me I feel it's not fair.
So what do you want?
But let us just continue pushing. Now what can I do? I'm not the president, but only if I was.
Yes.
Aki different exams.
Bono gagunche, as much as I can support your idea,
you should agree with me.
No, as much as I agree with you, but I have to differ. Na you know, they say education nere koleta chitajiri nechi maskini yamo.
Conditions. I agree.
It's okay. Yeah. Education nere koleta at least muntu lekuru transmare ebu seime.
Gake bantu balo they don't go to school bari mumbai.
Bono tiangote bono tiangote what happens. Bono egekogera ekero kuligere linga baise ko matemwa mao na banda mao egekogera eta make banta ba
level moja.
Bono ekero konyorango mwana kuru that side with the conditions obeire successful na matemwaiga montole town iga international school akoba examined bono ekero bakumira na ase university armate university tibugati Richard ekero bakumira na galia alibono ekoba eleve gochera muntu yale koba examined differently no muntu yo igaiga I'm telling you no nechigas they could be higher differently.
They're supposed to. Me, I'm telling you the truth.
Bono konyoranga egasi bono bako ba hire differently with the different levels. Okonyora bona baiga pa international gaiga. Ngonyora bale egasi raisi batike bali.
But that is what is happening.
Ngonyora uri bono kwa bagwiru asenge nchonga aeno monto kurugali. Bono yende bokabirero sawa.
That is what is happening.
Which is happening. Bono keke kwa happening how you know people.
Yeah.
How you know
people. Juu kifika hapo juu.
Oisokotoboa negento kelikuru na matsoma
I understand. But it's tough. We were not supposed to be. Wacha nikuambie Makinight yanko boliga. Shule yetu haina lab. Wewe shule yenu iko na lab.
Ako nginyolia.
Shule yetu haina walimu.
Ako nginyolia Bansen bana na zikonya. Na zikonya rera form 4.
No nini mwana kwa chole it looks like this.
Bansen bana na zikonya rera form 4. Eto wako jara rasa diagram. Ngakiko cha kwenye tumeka. Ngakiko cha kwenye tumeka.
Wengine wako na Bansen kwa primary. Kaki.
Microscope ukonyara kero gwete ere moyo ke skurume. Ukonyara tu nande bekiro under serious care. Uko imagine ile yali. Ngintu kwa koleta chigas tuacha koligere linga chiko ba Bansen bana. Na wakora flames chiri different flames. Wetere gas. Ngakira kitu gakeze.
Unaanza kwa is luminous na luminous. You don't even.
Tiga luminous. Ebipira bya kimbo na bitu atayuna nchone ebipira bya kimbo bya kite una cylinder. Ngokani my friend.
Toro chibona. And you're supposed to sit with the same alliance. Mnafanya exam moja. Mimi hata my heart goes out. Ntuka igana tuwara Bansen bana.
Yeah.
My heart seriously goes out to people in those counties kama North Eastern, watu wa Turkana, hizo sides. Honestly, I've been to Turkana County. hata kutembea utafute shule several kilometers away ndio upate moja, ingine huko. There are no teachers, watu wanaogopa hata kuenda huko. Unasikiza mambo ya bandit attacks and whatever. It really affects these people. Watu unapata wanafanya exam at the end of the year, walisoma sijui mara 3 kwa mwaka. You expect them to do the same exam with us when tuko hapa tunakula ndizi vizuri ama vera marurani to agende school.
Mangana makonkwe.
It's really hard, it's tough.
Anyway, na vera kongura kinende I'm thinking
it's not fair.
I'm thinking bantu bachire say Ministry of Education here and there batemere ku imagine that lakini ngo imagine benefits chirechi nyingi kubwa this benefits because education by the way karwete kurwalia there is a possibility nyasaya konya na ndobe one of the big
I know, yes. Sasa hiyo ni ile determination tu ikufanya aje ama Mungu akusaidie umalize, that's all, but I really wish we had something to equalize us.
Okay. Now do you know what will equalize us?
Yeah.
We not keep say. Oh no, that is why CBC.
That's where it comes in.
CBC now, that's where it comes in.
Okay.
That's where CBC bonige kuru keep say onanyore kuru kunga. Kwa meaning ya kipsea kuna Kenya Primary School Education Assessment. They assess you.
Okay. Yes.
Bali kupimira C plain. Bali kupimira nga ne D minus. Ono bago assess nga aye ekiwango kia bono kibonete kikirega. Igento manyete biyaniki. Obweki. Ono, this is where we will emphasize your ability. This is where you're good in. All good in art and craft. So there's no need dunya kuisumbua na chemistry. There's no need as a university ochikunya kuisumbua nga kwa renge graded nga kwa bwate biology, ngikwa bwate mathematics, ngikwa bwate kocha ekiko rabantu baba ba give up in grading. Bono ene assessment what grading.
Yeah.
It will be like this person was good in biology, was good in chemistry, was good in
yes,
this.
I've heard.
Now, in this kind of way.
Yes, I've heard.
In a way.
Now, in a way, it's good. Mimi CBC sipingi kabisa. It's a good thing.
Yes.
These candidates when you kufanya exam. We had a discussion. The country really had a discussion about CBC. And ilikuwa ni kama we don't understand, walimu pia waelewi, wanafunzi pia waelewi. There's a lot of confusion going on.
The thing is CBC. Like CBC was borrowed from another country.
Okay, as at now people are going to sit for exams. Do you feel that it's enough? We are ready to do this? In fact, yeah.
What was there is CBC achete implemented. Implementation was done very fast without kurali gireli bintu gete bibire bitatu. Lakini mo president Ruto kraso ete na format team y'abantu bari gukurali gireli ngaki challenges ke ga CBC wetera. In fact mwaka otina turara bana ba kurangeli boleta ngokoleta nini bintu yokora mbia punguze.
Ni kama zimeanza yes kuzoea.
Bana baga chiri botuko bago sega kwapi around ye mbapunguze kintu kile. Umwibuli akaba umwanafunzi. Umwibuli akaba umwanafunzi kira umwibuli tali kurara. Asingi nchumwana botuko bana bakaira chingo ke school.
Chi apple chini.
Yes, yende kimba chito baka review. And still it's a process in the making. It's a process. Yes, I know.
The only thing I'm asking is this. Mimi sipingi CBC. Hata I wish ningefanya hiyo time ningerudi kuwa mtoto nifikie CBC. Maybe hata ningekuwa much better.
Wewe walete mtoto.
Kabisa.
Walete mtoto wakutengenezee.
Ina come back. Anyway, so I'm like thinking, unajua CBC bintone vinge chila bunchi abwene takoba sechi primary. Mbona chiko junior secondary schools.
Yes, JCC.
Yes. There were so many things, labs, home science, what. There's so many equipment that tulikuwa tunafaa ku implement in the schools so that it runs successfully. Chi school chiri buno Omochokoro Onyamora tabeteli abeta bwati basi mari. Onyamora. Do you think it has these things?
Eldenberg. Eldenberg maite kero kuwata na bedbag yani bed's in the bag.
Do you think Tienti nkwane kwenda mwapo Omochokoro Onyamora bali mubali oncho kubanganye para. Do you think that these schools zimepata hizo vitu zote zimeimplement so that people sit for these exams? Are we ready?
Yeah, we are not that ready, but I think zinajaribu karanguligira CBC they got much problems according to estimate nelinga
no KCP ndio iko na much problem. Remember we didn't even have labs in primary school.
One CBC unless JCC JSS is JCC.
Junior secondary schools now.
Yes, I think bono tera akora miaka 2 kole nginga kigwika kano ni miaka 5 na bokonyoranga tu asoira sagia manyamate mwa CBC talikomaki una walimu akomaki unichi computer.
Okay.
Is the assessment inafanywa na computer yache aligiriga ere program ya manyanga umuntu yenga kiale kwate una excellent beyond exceeding expectations ibintu bnebyo yaligirira kwama yakonyoranga mwana oyiga bono mwana tayo gochikobe failure unabona kwa bekretwe now you give up your life asege bono kwanyoleta osinkwanyoleta D- ose D bono kwate unga you know what you are good in this, just focus one Steve Chasoide. No, I'm thinking on each university they will be now specialized under the program of CBC. Ngabono muntu yiga na bakora bunyagitari na bonyole kera kiki kuintiri bunyagitari muntu nanyolete kesongo buya na biology. Don't mind about physics and other things because muntu yiga onye is good mangana production na nini muntu na bakora to work in the university. Dika liko nyakulikira linga kinki kwa bwate na gento geto onya kore architecture ngike kore to architecture. This person was good in mathematics and physics and something kwa genda akikora ensebu na America. It depends nothing as long as your head is good. Na andoro chenga na bankobo munyagitari.
There's a place for everyone.
Na bankoba a pilot. Even if you failed in secondary but you are good and na bankoba accessed in pilot, you go there and watch okora genda gena ngelinga kino bwate knowledge ngukugule kesongo na nini toka ndaye toteme gogo fail bono ga it's okay but you can enroll in anything you want.
CBC is good. Me I support kabisa tukimalizia this education nini. It's good. Mimi sikatai CBC. Actually when umesema itaenda ku equalize somehow. It's only that we're supposed to implement on a few things ikukue up and running like kila kitu sasa kila mtoto hata ule wa maskini wa tajiri ikuwe kama sisi wote leo tunafanya project fulani our school iko na equipment ya kufanya vitu kama hizi because right now it's more of not even books it's more of practicals. Yes, but pia government of Kenya unajua tu venye watu wetu wanakuanga banga bone project ibuna yacha akire it's going to enrich some people. Unajua kuna watu tu wanaenda kutake advantage in this ministry. Yes, so let us just have equal supply of this nini resources kwa mashule.
Togenda tonya ku kwandra mangana iga producer itotikenya kutulire gotera kwa masomo nama ya hotel na Nyatigo gotera hotel na Nyatigo masomo nama ya talking about the development batamu kwanda turaba bunge baitu kwana turaba bunge baitu igoronto kwanda te about governor leronte turakunera babunge litko ligoronaro cha babunge au se constituency au chi bahale se ground. Wanasema kura iko wapi? Kura iko kwa ground. Kura na wacha parliament baidina bakonya omo bunge tanya uko na parliament pi. Lakini parliament mwa tumetororo ili at least yanya walege ntotokoroka okwana chishu siaba chi constituency parliament. Lakini mbali bago chibai ka parliament wara ngambanya kukwana. They will never raise an agenda ali bunge. Lakini they are so good in the ground. But una politics is local. You bring it to the people. Onye watu wanakuelewa hiyo ingine ya bunge wewe peleka kizungu yako huko.
Ground ndio inamata. Kwa rocha mabunge jinalo kwa baoroki gorogali. Kwa wanapendwa. Sisi hapa ndio tunaangalia tunasema really.
They kwenye wadamu bunge olia. Honorable PK Peter Salasia.
Yes. Watu wengi hawamuelewi. Lakini ukienda kwao
Peter Salasia
aba ante bako muunderstand bamuanze tena inde.
Yankwa tengata igoro Peter Salasia. Mo search olini gasomete Egerton University. Chinsembo chia Nakuru. ekera Samora akaba nabete student leader ekera student leader akarongo bukima bwa mukong'eire akombwetwa akakanyomba geteiga ekera iki ground akaba ni naringi activist by the way yogo champion ibintu bya soba alinga igase sukari ntotakeri company chito na nini akaba umuntu uri ukwana liuka ekera ikalia chinsemo chiria sa cholire akatebye bantu tabwata na nyumba by the way bakamuagachire nyumba bagatinda chamara bakabisa bakamubekire nyumba ekera bamubekire nyumba agachaka ku campaign pikipiki yagwete wira nero kogendia agweta kirase bakamwachikura ekera bamwachikura akambwa nere tigaira ni favor akabagako nakanyaro musara iga agotebanga no nero mubungu bwata madeni amange kubondi wese because yakwira bakachiloni oirira abantu baye chiskali na nini akabaira nilimbia mata nyometi na ndirime watu mukungu lakini abatana bakamuaccept bonge ndako kora agotebe era kuba real na bama nganchite bakandeta iga I don't want to change realmente inombaka style ya nere gambe brande iga nche bali bancholte mba maete nganche no yobo agotebe gendo kero kyama ete bongo borobwa batana habugata aboko making abantu baye ba change na nini but I'm expecting it kara nyome will be more honorable. I think so.
So it goes back to this conversation. Our MPs, abatoko wakera chikura. Obonete nga is it a must have ne family?
Esegu to gweta. Yangote yeken. Neba no mwemsie. Akongu bunechuma. Muyoli no yo kubwatirira ora sukire kiwango. Usi to gweta buno muntu kuliki no bwemusie to nyometi. Eke pime getanga ni gyo korkinga no murayole eke uchagira family bahaku mama chiko na bige tunaba gusi nga ubu murai in fact neba karumonto bwata bakungwa bange ni galenga utware sei kubwa bande nga mwinyo go manage aba it means
you can manage the people
you can manage people abagambia bange nigo bakairo murai kwa muigule bange niko bakairo akini ko manage tero chwono no gasire ngono nande kropa kwa kabaraire bamanyire ngamba tuliete onyo muntu yo tulizete family bakongo bonsi bahaye bako balera eraini iko meaning muntu yo burayi akairo so usina akongusana koyo kubura iyo nyetubwa tiyo gendo ikuru kumukungu.
But is it a bad thing? Maybe somebody muyare na what leadership skills.
I believe in that. Ngakyo tura onyo tunyometi.
What if talikora familia evia?
I want to tweet niko murai. Family na kongu.
I can have a family lakini niwaambie
yangote yo nakyo kuigwira.
Jaribu leo tunapigwa picha.
Mokongu na mokongu.
Smile.
Onyo kokonyaro mokongu yo mokongu maite to mokongu.
Sana.
Onyo no nacho kwanchire.
Sana ni maite. To settle down with a family kabisa uko sawa. Let me tell you, nonya banta babaraya banene. They fight. There is no marriage in Kisii, they don't have fight. So,
igali no akanyore birengerenga kyagodi no na bakungwa se constituency. Well, anyway, that is a topic for
but
another
mimi na feel ni kama tunafaa tutoe hiyo kitu because nabona nyoro musae tuli buyago seno nyino muntu tagete chikura even women now abona iga muntu nabako be women repengia utabuha ti family akona leadership skills akona all it takes the only thing yenye hajabarikiwa nayo is a family ama alikuwa nayo ika break do we have to judge them through that
tema ipanto mwobo bunge moko moyo kirifi akale kulia shere mokuligeri mwara chiba check count is constituency
tari manager abantu usengo manager abantu
ikala albo no mukugwira ngaki shere count 048 ara create no ne count ya no I don't believe okay they can
can lead some you can lead people
you can lead but actually ngakiwa naona bangina ngakiwa mwetu mukungu nera kotanga pon tro chinche buna muku I was in a place muka mukungu noembo nigaligireli mei kwamboka simbarati olino mu China bono yobona to kwana iga she's going around the county schools kubatevinga ki inche nondega iga inche mama county inche boniga first lady on behalf of governor inche komwali berera inche manyete nkimbirengere kyabwate na inwe
that's because you ndo kitu muma ikina kile nto monalete mumeka kwa brain
dale tunalete
look at what was central vote for women hata when they don't have families and they lead
dale tunalete central galia abantu balimba bwate naona babagaka lakini rende bono ngukwanda buna gusi
okay
chi constituency chinde ngokora chirebo but gusinto igeke tu simi singi getenga ki leadership start from the family na ande chindo chibadu mbiyatole njina ande badu ndo chimbiyatole ande tigana one family how even you dress determines you how
everything yes even how you talk even how you talk
bantu bago chaliba bwate vision lakini ba muliringa monke kubona bantu mali bago vote bakachirasta man lakini iga kubeka ora wata uneke enenya sore eye enenya sore
hata kama umesoma aje
bono na kikito tebanga intuba dondo chimbia tultika toka ndrera ine nocho naanza iri janda agarto kwande goro ya babunge na bona I was to talk about Zairi janda litkolia igoro no alenge chinsemo chia nyaliwa chache constituency ka kueta na alenge chinsemo chia genchere gali na igorete muradi bwa mache oyule Kiumbu ward by the way naro chaba bunge ba Kiumbu ward ororo moske moindi nkara mubunge wiwe no oyule moske onga kyakorwa oyo the famous MCA Steve Arika then naro chino mo MCA Virongo ward balenge Virongo ward bichonse chine echi ward chire nyari bali chache chire 6 wards so at least now what half of the MCAs bakumo support ya segasi yao kora kuigura match elia bantu banyora match Zairi janda nyimantara kwanda that project Zairi janda ekrato kubwati bu ya no muharabu I think is more
no akona nini ya muindi they have jeans za muindi nyanya yao alikuwa muindi
yes akira alikuwa chikura I want to be honest anda bange bade tenga toya muindi muindi chikura boli toya muindi chikura ekero kwale kumotegerera esibintale gukwana mostly algo tebanga ngimukondokiro muindi nimbuga to mukungu mugusi no I want you to digere a basement ya your argument mukondo ko muindi why njabana bande nabagusi abana ba ukwanike gusi mokane no mugusi nyomete gosenkuru nyanjo agago zenine ni algo kwana so algo itetanga ki neba kindo muindi orochi na ligirio yomi no lende bono lende kiyoga nke kubaro kingana bonko bara so bado binte bimbiro lakini nende abantu I thank nanda abantu baitumba mbai mogetegura hake bakarwe bai bakakoraki bakamochora ne batali umugusi
yes what on a change
yes so now ekarato kwana about the development ababunge litkolegoro Zairi janda na alenge chinsemo chiagenchere akaiguru muradi bwa machi to abere to kwanda about nga ekro kwa baire elected as a member of parliament first of all karaliri abantu ba ngipakaniti they need water they need electricity they need good education they need good schools they need good roads ebintu bina bitoko chore tokore ekro gotorosili pare berais tueta tomnyo kibintu bito chichiro ekro gotorosili amachi rais twanyora at least amachi inyumba twanyoranga bana nkwanda bale school ebintu buni ebyo nabitota getotorosili bugima turaisi karwa rosili binde abantu na into tutumeke chinguru cheito koirigeria bona alia ekra igolete muradi oliwa mache na rocha abantu bakoka sana and I was even too happy because I come from Nyalibar Church singinchiga asilia abetega okoragari na era nabali ko yake kuba ngokolire within 1 year ebintu babunge batanya gukora miaka ya mahera ntochi toligeria scorecard ya after miaka 5 ya elire tomotote igano no tukuligeria grade igano no tokobikira bona talikipsea bona tokutumeka 844 igano tokumubikira ne D- osene A plane osene B-, but so far ngokorare ngotematemale
but Zahira I think at before abe MP before you elected him na ngokonya linga abantu still he used to share with people yes
koralenge gento tokorokanga philanthropy is a philanthropist
okay
businessman philanthropist
so maybe he has a heart of giving me venye namjua he has a heart of giving so mtu kama huyo kishamweka MP si eti ni because now he has the salary MP ndio kwa sababu now is ama because he has those powers ndio kwa sababu anasaidia watu watu there's some people who are just born to give which is a good thing kama sasa anafanya projects Well and good.
And by the way ndarachi kwenda sumo bungo mwa why people bagotende ku imagine ngo mubungo wate chibesa na bako mubungo mya kwetani oyo guchuta bwa chibesa.
We ask me about it.
Kwesi na kekyo.
Ask me about it.
Na kekyo na kuboliri.
Hey, let me tell you. Tokakore mistake you. Wakore mistake you Bugusero ward.
Yes.
Bugusero ward before this election, the last one now, the last election. Tokabekero montolinge humble. Yani humble tabwati kende yani noyo nyasa. Yani tabwati naonye piki tabwati. Bike abwati, bike bicycle. Nera abwati. Ento katabadiza humble person.
Ntakana ya nyasa.
Kaki. Ani abataka ani omuya yani ogotayira abantu otokwani para tokobende kanisa no tole toikaransa nere benchi yemo. Ebigaki nchemo manyiti. Nchemo etetinko basera. Nchiraki ni numorange no nefe. Yani chatimbo ati
ngoyo di meja
kanonde terere.
Okay.
Sasa tukamubekera chikura. Yani alishinda with a landslide. Yani hata mwenye alikuwa anamfuata namba 2 akuona kitu.
The humbleness in him.
The humbleness. Yani kila kitu. Tokateba huyu sympathy ndio hiyo sasa kabisa. Yani roho safi. Kila mtu alikuwa anasema tinta keteno nesiringia because top what. Enda tu tufanyie kazi za humble person. Wakati aliingia hapa juu kwa county assembly.
Mano botaka bwa mosongwe. Agasibigwa. Akakumassage. Akakomboa nyanchwa.
We. Alikuwa anatupita kama upepo.
Eliokia kerago legali.
Naone kanisa tare wocha. Kila kitu aliwacha.
Mwata idanya komenya isikomino. Akimwata kete.
Yani
laiti
ungelijua. Naonye project chiritu baitenga kiga kiyo atafanya.
Mwaganiti abarageli.
Ya kitanya atorageli atokolere gasi. Because now tuliona uya kwa accessible.
Mwata kitache nchipi.
Echisi biwono ndoko mwakera tomate nga kiga keparele gaiga.
Na mbeli na cheje.
Ni nani? Ni nani unasema?
Yango kani.
My friend, kwa sababu nilisema from today vote for someone mwenye already ako established. Yes.
Kiti gatoke
kunere. Look at Linet Toto. Ulienda ulize watu wa Bomet County. Yes.
Bananya kumoigo village. Nanya kumoigo.
Hiyo sasa.
Nanya kumoigo village.
Yes.
Imanga ya chete by.
Toro chimano.
Where did Toto go by the way? Nanya kumoigo matukaya.
Basi ndio hiyo.
Mata kulia mbwata.
Kabisa. So sisi tulilana lesson abantu baba kusero. We learned a very great lesson that we will not repeat again.
About money can bring out the real character of a person. Na bora nyolenge grata wachibesa mo ata no ene rebi kata imanyiti. After nyolete chibesa na no ene rachita kumanyanga ki chenoyo. Whether abantu mbale money determines who they are. Obotaka bako make you humble otaliae. Ekero kwa chinyolire kwa makoroki character yao nyasaye usabanga kinyasaye ekero nasinyorire kinganchere mbu muntu muya timbu muntu oli abantu mbali bachinjiti after banyorire chibesa abantu mbali bieni byabo byachinjiti paka no ne character no bagatukuta basani scope ekero banyorire chibesa so ekero kwa nyorire chibesa nye kwa rule step yo botaka go chi step yende sabanya saye ngakinyasaye kwa chingeire chibesa njibwa temptation chinyingi no one in this world tataite besa ondete utata komenya bogi maborobi lakini anye kwa chingeire making bu muntu abantu bako relate with to making bu muntu abantu lakini ande bangata bale tajiri nyinge nchiringia in order to be rich sometimes you need to be seen different tota kiriko muntu so ambo nande lakini ntenya saya kwa wisdom on how to deal with serious issues on even how to deal with friendship and at least you are maintaining abantu abarabantu so congratulations to Zaire Janda and we are hoping nagendera ko make nyaribari chache koba where we want after all ndiko mo compare na babunge bande etoko mo compare within a racing general unabona to kwana hiyo umobungo ndena rocho igolete and I like this man I don't know why tindi mobunge yani mwaki kura kuruchinse mecho Clive Gisairo I don't know why this man has ventured much into education because naro chika kuigore bintos ange chiskuru chinyinge sana chiskuru angenye gisatu igaisano haro mubunge kuru ase constituency ki kitutu Clive Gisairo kitutu what
Kitutu Masaba.
I think so.
Yes, Kitutu Masaba, yes.
Clive Gisairo litkole igoro niga sote se skuru chi nyinga lichi constituency yae na roche maka barose li cho ya kisasa cho ngi yakapisi cho very very cho elio konyora diplos ali akaro ko ndalia kima cho bura buichire meno ne karo ko liga siage cho ime ni guru chingi mirimo ko rambiye okwayana embe erengi maitena gwete kera te ya ba 90 na ba nafunzi ngaki noroche cho elia echo elia igoire
yeah
echo elia that is the level of classes I want.
Yes,
Only that is the toilet to arosriga. I will change this school.
But honestly it's good because hata mimi umeni surprise kama alifikiria hapo you know so many people so many schools tuataje chi school kaiga gusi choo inakuanga the list of worries in a school. Choo inakuanga mbaya kabisa. Hata zingine zinakuwa risky to the students.
Yes.
People don't even know that it's important. Choo ni important sana kwa shule. Yeah. So mingi hata ziko nayo.
So it's nice.
Producer anasema it's a wastage of resources.
Acha na producer. Chana producer akwe yeye anaweza hata kukosa kuwapea hapo batenga neighboring places in Chibwata asemora ikonya
waenda kwa jirani.
Bono talking about omobunge Clive kugura cho na konya rosiase ebirengo bya kisasa. You've said it's a good thing because eraligreta hygiene kwanza eraligreta hygiene ngakia banga yabana bago ikonya kuru igali amaroire nkuru ari chese chicho asumbua abana ngo ikabara ari chicho baumere binte binge very serious problems especially girls. You know so akama gote ya bible na bana ngaki if this is the standard na setri kuru asicho I will change these classes to be in that kind chitaili chirense kabisa kurugura babegeta sobora bole steam igotoka ali abana bagosoma without any problems.
Imagine these things are doable. Even because some people not even school. We are not even supposed to beg for toilets ama latrines in schools.
But what the fund kuruku NG CDF national government CDF yego ba allocated so mubunge mubungo so okonye bintu nebi. And still now with ali akande school ngao akaigure library. A very well library by the equipped library ekero kunyeligere naboko imagine a library a standard ye university you know, which was very very nice.
I'm so happy about it.
Ekero ya akral kuru speech akama ko encourage students nga ekero mo koramate mwaiga don't just worrying as much as ntate mwensi mwete lakini gokonyora no bane D okonyora no ne C minus okonyora no E akatabanga library emoroche gaiga as much as ya tech chanjale ngo ika chete ko university ni retri plot ya retri nani lakini barabiba gachete na bantu basomete masonry na bantu basomete about carpentry na bantu bakorete binte biga akama ko bate nabwate TVET bono no habegete chibasi nyinge gana ombegete chibasi nyinge no ngo support even more so onye tu kunyara ko itakuchi university you can just join a TVET kitutu Masaba Technical Training College osororo onyore skill yana bokonyora obwagachi skill yana no konyora gaiga obo masonary no konyora binte beyonce no biregaye and right now njere to kona ntu abere to insist from this place nga TVET education is the way to go right now. It's the way to go. Nende amete bona igaba chakire go train korunse so CBC is more of a practical nere bottom up
bottom up by the time abantu bakora matemwa yayo mwelyo haitakuwa ngumu kuconvince wenye sisi watu 844 ilikuwa nche onte bingende polytechnic
osena kwa example kiane
kwa ninga kiondoje no itakuwa ngumu hivyo.
All right, Yasana, thank you and congratulations to Clive. Clip wiki kila mwikire tokuma tena congratulations from INKA TV and keep doing that. Education is the key and one day we would like to have you here. Ngo igumuna Clive na bwate story.
He has a story. Alafu is also a great farmer. What you don't know.
Ibintu tenga ki aise go tuanchira libaga na baga twa libaga turamurete se studio itoga iga INKA TV. At least there are two story, and actually I know he's not a bad person. Na nita kumanyanga ngaji enkoko ya chagre liete enkoko ngairi ya chagre mwekara kwa kuri campaign ekara gwetha kero kali okore poster ya egali iginti gitanyo kurali gire tokurara enkoko na ndoro china igore enkoko center gomini nguna nabuate story with enkoko. We will love nga twal konya Clive I to invite no embugo na rakini ere ya kapso tare tio bisiti ya Twitter tra nyoru muga noe at least muga noe no ebugo kina kurwa gutuma ko na development chabantu once bakitu to bonsi bakitu to revna nchira kira. Lakini congratulations to that. Keep doing it. That is now what we
the way to go. You know, when people
do.
elected the last year elections, and the last was it last time elections, Tuarochenga, we elected so many young people compared to other years.
Young generation
came in, akina Clive, Zahir, Anthony Kibagendi, Simbarati. Like there's so many young MPs, akina Salasi abuna tu atevire.
Baba
Jalango. People are like, mbanya ajo kweli. Young generation tuanajira bagaka na ubao korigas. But really akina Clive are changing the game. Toro chibone kabuna bachire new projects are coming up. People are doing good.
They are taking slow, but they are
so
becoming.
Let's just give them time.
They are coming.
Yes.
They are coming. Anyway, tukuirana nte tokunere gentoge kurukwa gentoge kurukwa nga insecurity go so boibi bwabeire bogo swase ebinyoro oboibi bwaki wechimboli oboibi wechiombe oboibi
matoke kurumogondo.
Why that? Kuira ntoro gocha tigatunyoro gotera kogote amasomo namaya gotere no mongwano kurukwa nere nyatigo kuruchinse mochicha kebirigo. We are coming back in INKA TV kurukwa brand Makinight not ordinary sase Bridget Kirwo. Don't go anywhere. We coming back, ladies and gentlemen.
Ukiona vyaerea ujue vimeunda wazali waka neno yaje ziyale ulimu laki abantu baito ngonde tanguna gokulera bana baito bale zukuru laki abantu baito ngonde tanguna gokulera bana baito bale zukuru laki ogota zoma borwairo bobe bwata machaya bobwato botyoku laki ogota zoma borwairo bobe bwata machaya bobwato botyoku laki abana baito kimole zukuru koro mukya amayanjerali laki abana baito kimole zukuru koro mukya amayanjerali aya naete irenda bwatiega tomo laki abana baito muya etera aya naete irenda bwatiega tomo laki abana baito muya etera kora mwege zongo naira banto ma nato mwege zongo nabalijara kora mwege zongo naira banto ma nato mwege zongo nabalijara obogima wa makyayo bo digito take tobo ngaini bo take ta bozomo obogimo wa bono digito take tobo ngaini bo take ta mazomo nyomba ya kebaralero digito simi ya kobokono nyana maji nyomba ya kebaralero digito simi ya kobokono nyana maji kati abana baito kimole zukuru soma egeko geresi ya kobokolero nigere digito dendo takiti umanyege songo tatopolea wapi nonyano mwalimu Nicolas Njoro tigago tebanga abana tigabasome no mupya Eva Mwenga n'abalimu baito mwalimu John Nguzo nguru ali nyangoge mwalimu Saka nguru nyambiri Jose Mwali nyatukanya geita Steve Obanyi iko bato te abana basome no mupya Armstrong Mireli kuru ali magwa watata bena ndivongera momanyi agote basomye abana no mupya nonyana ali Fred Moindi agote abana basome Wilfred Nyakoe kuru miruka kati ala mondo jonde tazeka tinga ibadita unyamono mozani siku moja yoka ngazabangirane kati ala mondo jonde tazeka tinga ibadita unyamono mozani siku moja yoka ngazabangirane nyomba ya kibale yale digito enjego nkanalete ya magogo nyomba ya kibale yale digito enjego nkanalete ya magogo mache wezibya tabunembura enjego nkanalete ligena roche mache wezibya tabunembura enjego nkanalete ligena roche dagera kwikemeze digitali kweruselya baito bongiti dagera kwikemeze digitali kweruselya baito bongiti kakyogota somo borwairo bobe oba bana baito talera matom kakyogota somo borwairo bobe oba bana baito talera masomo emechando na eteire terimbago gaki abana baito mokoro mukya emechando na eteire terimbago gaki abana baito mokoro mukya kole mebisi mega chengongu indo manone gaki ayasome kole mebisi mega chengongu indo manone gaki ayasome ngotole cha embule gotwa indo manone gaki ayasome ngotole cha embule gotwa indo manone gaki ayasome kosukumwe chirongo ligya chibesa indo manone gaki ayasome kosukumwe chirongo ligya chibesa indo manone gaki ayasome abaibuli otogwetera ko abana irina mojo konya kama tukamambia betu ile injiri ya kuma igagonte bina gakinya tigo onye gendo berkinge njo muibuli abana tokora no gosomia mwana Thomas Mung'ane Nyamira Nyagetari kakina waganya kolera abana Fred Nyakundi German Gatembe Gold Vision ali asomo chomo mbasa umwalimu Chemsi Ayeja akoteba abana basome n'umukya France Benaja Guto urwarinya bikomu Dr. Justus Yosano Kenyatta University oinchobo rwasoko ira maiga Bilbo ka kinguru nyamaje maiga ingaita ikire nonyene rasta sorobi mutuli nikakolera ng'abana musome Alex Omoti Ndubi County Office ya Kerenyo wani mama possible Ndubi mwalimu Barnabas Masese kurwalia roke nena bakote abana basome n'umukya ayangino mwana nakiwakora Onyama kaziere diteri ayangino mwana nakiwakora Onyama kaziere diteri kakito konya neri ndeto somya bana baya Pajego tokonya abalimu baito tokonya ne kenjoro bongo gakina matom abalimu baito tokonya ne kenjoro bongo gakina matom babu karani tosomya bana kobo mwalimu ayo na masomo babu karani tosomya bana kobo mwalimu ayo na masomo kaka watani tosomya bana kobo motemya ayo na masomo kaka watani tosomya bana kobo motemya ayo na masomo emiri meja tosomya bana kobe bairoti ayo na masomo emiri meja tosomya bana kobe bairoti ayo na masomo vanisi makoli tosomya bana kobo muralya ayo na masomo vanisi makoli tosomya bana kobo muralya ayo na masomo bakoteba no bakanire bakoteba ye ayo na masomo bakoteba no bakanire bakoteba ye ayo na masomo kakya bana baito koma no mukya amatuka goja oje wekonya kakya bana baito koma no mukya amatuka goja oje wekonya kimole zukuru koma no mukya amatuka goja kageta basomo kimole zukuru koma no mukya amatuka goja kageta basomo Ronald Kambi tosomya bana kobo mo wakiri ayo na masomo jobu warwata tosomya bana koba dakitari ayo na masomo Elija Makinya tosomya bana kobo munyagetari ayo na masomo aye John Meja tosomya bana kobo mwana jezi ayo na masomo jobule yatuya tosomya bana kobo mugambi ayo na masomo Namegyageta tosomya bana yazalebia ayo na masomo Richard Yateka tosomya bana kobo montereba ayo na masomo Siti Barika tosomya bana kobo mosemya ayo na masomo Muraranya Wenja tosomya bana kobo mo engineer ayo na masomo Jaredio Eva tosomya bana kobo dakitari ayo na masomo Nyombengia ayo na masomo Galiengia ayo na masomo Nyombengia ayo na masomo Galiengia ayo na masomo Erikinyaega tosomya bana kobo muralya ayo na masomo Johnny Nyaega tosomya bana amatuka goja bajewe konya Tomunya Beli tosomya bana amatuka goja bajewe konya Tomunya Beli tosomya bana amatuka goja bajewe konya Petwelio Njiri tosomya bana amatuka goja bajewe konya Moses Ngono tosomya bana amatuka goja bajewe konya Kirubwa Ginezi tosomya bana amatuka goja bajewe konya Bakoteba sere kwaranirwe bakoteba good ayo netiki bakoteba sere kwaranirwe bakoteba good ayo netiki tata ono gotamba tukangoja taketa masomo onyeno mwalimu Joseph Malita Evan Siorango Madam Millicent Nyaboke Osire Doris Meja ejine Madam Jesu Jingia amona Lydia Monyangi akotebana kwa wasumati noano koroko aina masomo tata Kanika niketembe driver Scoopy Enterprise ya Libosongo Mungwana nena nikawatenega jingi yao kora Kuitira masomo Ewa ni ziziro Ama somo nama ya Samuel Bosire na Kennedy Omwega Igali Nairobi University Akote ya bana basome Thomas Nyetiona Mayakanyatigo Uhuijenda kwa bona sabane Gere basome via Gaki abana baito Koromukia Amatuka guja Taketa basomu Gaki abana baito Koromukia Amatuka guja Taketa basomu Kimolesu Somonumukia Amatuka guja Taketa basomu Motigo bochinga Somonumukia Amatuka guja Taketa basomu Motigo bochinga Somonumukia Amatuka guja Taketa basomu
Eza kurukwa Mr. Nyatigo all the way kurushinse mochiri chake birigo adanga masomo nama yana arakonyira abantu abange bachinchiri status cyabo abantu barenge inse round higa masomo akababeke kiwango gete anyway thank you so much asibali bagenda to watch all live kurushinse mochia K Town Kisii Town to be specific Twin Towers kero wikiri bosongo gaiga nyora libagali gutara gaiga Twin Towers no tole at least tunabato ko ege kombe gichae mambe yabone twatebanga inkabwa kiri tuna abantu abaya to kwariga abantu senchirengia twabaye kombe gichae neba uchumi kirembe we can as well surprise you just come visit our office no tole gaiga bosongo gatigati elitura sanga biratatu abakonyoranga toigwana nirese kiwangi yake mugose twasukiramo asenchirengia kegima chenkuru kwa Makinight no tole nirisa se bridge tukirubugaiga ekarante tetora kunera chi point chinde chingao emambiga yaboniga na tetora kunera mungana biratatu lisa se na tebaga tukwira na tukwanre guru ya tiffin oboibi ase binyoro
Yes.
Oboibi wa very very serious Mong'ina yo moniga bogete akanyora nga chingoko chia enchi ya nyumba Mong'ina orosiri ndagira kabisa urageire usibire chimboli chia na nini chingoko bese keire bachire kurara nyumbani na numaite bugusi nubwa chikoni na nyumba haralia nyumbani ne
Yes.
nyumbani nega no mukurara mwati kalende chimboli chino na nini chiralia jikoni Muzibati oigano mwako yokibako bokamambia bakonyoranga ngoko nchiyo akubulende chingoko kitwatigete nyumba
bakasie kabu
ngaichiage kumbe suspect ni emwete tigakobe suspect I always told the people menye kenyoroki ago tigakobe suspect tigako ko suspected ese bintu kumbe suspect nero suspect iga bahatanga ngumuko suspect ikinyura ya muntu iga chimbo cha around enchi koletiki njiko bangi tiango turahendo emutulete gakoboka gakorangira niga aba tulete nyimbo kumbi bakogenda ali bakonyore nyombeli yakoletiki esiekire muntu ulitayo garba konyora ya bakumoga yegwe oyikande kono mwina bakumyogi bakoletu chinko chiri chikanyoro nyaro mwae kumbe the suspect was right. They were right on the suspect. Oh no, I'm not focusing much about this specific case. Again, tekenente kora aligelinga oboibi bwabeire bo kolekana ase ebinyoro san. What brings this ekarukuligere in the current bone chinga kichi?
Yes.
Ngiye koleto boibi boiga bwabasai. Nandere kero kuligeria kentekerenge abantu bakuiba mono nabasaye ase binyuriri gatomete
nabasaye mbaka nonya nabana bake achakiro buibi
ngiye kolete gente kero kuligeria
ntebuna nkuligereri ndoche nga tough times chamekiria abantu bachakire kuiba ubibi wabeire igoro this time sata kuliko kitambo just because people right nowadays usebona iga bantu mbabu atigasi honestly joblessness ni rigoro sana since ito ya Kenya bantu babwati gasi ekerota bwati gasi inamaanisha you don't have a stable source of income. Bantu babwati a decent way of earning a living. I'm not saying that if you don't have a decent way ugaende kuiba, no, but vitu kama hizi zinachangia. Watu wako na pressure pia sana ya ku make it in life.
The pressure ni asoire pressure
yes. So umuntu akoranga I don't have to work all my way up or something that kwanda gukora kigas rero ngo mpaka mjengo ni connections. So it's now hard
so
to
if you're not connected
upati hata ile ya mjengo
nyingi hata
site uwezi ingia. So ebintu bune bibyagere bibi wabeire igoro sana. Pia abana naende metagiri my time ataidisha. Ona iga bintu bune byagere nga obwe ebintu byakinira magoli. Watu wana struggle to provide for their families. There are so many things going on in the country right now. We are not stable and we know that. So obwe bibi wabeire igoro sana. I don't despise ile abantu bande bale born thieves. Was thinking what Timothy was saying that is the right time kutumia. Abantu bale tubakuiba. Wanapenda tu kuiba like hiyo ndio job yao. Hawataki ku struggle. Roba koranga ki unandoche water bottle yegaiga. Badala niende nitafute pesa niende kununua. See I can snatch it from here. Na nipate. Yes.
Amari to kwandete balinga you are a youth but you using you want it to be easy right now. Koko bera bire bikongweke wuchu matukaga wuchu.
Yes. So yes, tough times, wizi imekuwa mwingi. Watu tumetangaziwa mpaka kwa makanisa, watu wanaibiwa vitu vibaya sana.
Baki kutangaziwa kwa makanisa, wanaiba mpaka kanisani.
Kwa rocha buna abantu bakuiba by the way mpaka kanisa. So right now nobody is spared.
Yes.
Nonyega aje kwanya kuigo bibi ase binyoro ime.
Boni gatiga.
It's rare antu ari kuigo ntu amangana buna ko ari kwenda mpaka mugondo tigete mpaka murangu wegete chabiyo kakwagenda naende kuirana. Yes, lakini bono iga it's different.
Ekarato kwana igoro yobo ibi ase binyoro abana ba minto bali bamutuligireti mambe aboniga. Things are becoming so hard. Our youths wao ndio wamekuwa wezi wakubwa vijijini pale. Wanyoranga otigete bintu byago kumba abantu baliyo umaetenga naba sai bale binyoro unaboniga abantu ngote bali mbale bayibiseta se chipikipiki bonige bo bwakongire mabutatire igoro bairanireka bonekara bairanireka igento yako borono tindi gote ngaba murabe chipikipiki nabako abayibi. That is not what I'm saying. But boniga basaya bange mbale bayibegete busy at least in doing some things bona mabutatire bono bintu mbiyo bairanireka no wate babono bogima bwakongire obuibu abeiro bonge ase ebinyoro stokorwa. Again tubono ngusaba abasaye bali skogali you know naboko so mugondo that is the easiest way atina na mali makeire ono nabogote makora kindi gyonsi tema okora kintu ke kwa chibesa in the right way
because you know youths nowadays as included we don't want to struggle.
We don't want to sweat.
Ono nakikia berenga bona iga nikianza kufikiria singende kusibeli umuntu chianga inche te kunyalekana sioni. Sasa hivyo ndo naanza kufikiria kwa tabanga timbo ati an easier way of doing things. But really it's a bad thing because gaiga kusintu ndo alikuwa story bunecho. Usiga igamba ke simia okwa ari gotigana ngende hotel gotiga buye mesa igoro.
Oli mungwano ndaganye akatige laptop. Esibiti arwere to bisiba kalia. Liye kumayanga alenga Kipchoge keino. Alengera tinga ya bwana. Obogimo bwabeiro abalendo mungwana ngumnyokale agatige lifti yani kumbe stasi chire bwango bwe lifti akaro me chandoro my friend
tough times call for tough measures
anyway nande ekero kanda do kwana iga youths by the way motoligireti skogali. I want to talk to you in this morning. Basai bali motoligireti skogali. Gentonkera gekurukunga oboibi boniga can lead you to a very wrong direction. Obwatore onyolenga kwa sambiru. Obwatore onyolenga kwa kolirechera. Miaka yage mesini ndio sibwe mbechere miaka yendemera ngibere. Ngakiwo chakuruwa kole. Digiega asire genuine. Kora mujengo go just soki sweat yago tumikaga sindonzi mwetapa basai balero bacholegas agotanga nche tintakiri gukora gasi ndakiri gukora nona basori ngo tabara mchagwa jembe si mkulima you must strong as now one white collar jobs in chiyo ngina bona at least ungaro soke mambi basabange bagwisi mambi angalete mambi agende puru ogende puru beroro pakabwire margoba
yes
you are bringing a disappointment ya sabaibuli chimboli boni okonyora nkwara twara kone cases yo konyora ngombe abande itire okora ya musinya kurusibuli yo ukorera kunyita te manini edagira mugunda matoke ugochi konyora igali toke lia chiro kongote to wagete sabanga litoke mambi kuri oninde at least ngore skali ugochi kocha mambi toke lirindi ngobe kirule sumu seli tokali abantu ngo ndabale extra mile yo nyolenga kwarogiro
alibe chincho
ngo kule chincho ko tala na chirochio ole terma mu minu statu bindo bosoko so please tigato chunge sector you na basaye
yes and let's be our neighbors keepers pia
tigato chunga
ne neighbor keeper because abantu mimi sijui awebi abantu abako ibana bagusi tali abagusi abaminto boli n'abantu bekenyoro kabisa
abaminto bantu muibitanya kurware lisase muibyo gukoibera tali kurware no yokumaete ngaye gwachire chiro kwira na saine aye ukurara sana tuli kubuka mugako bunu muoba babanyanga botuka gocha oyo naiguli toka liko bwezi da gasoka au kulira nyumba lido kono liko nyalia chire igomini nguna tiga ko rega seyu nkole tamburo bosuku monyolenga mumeumiza na mumeumizo nyinyi wenyewe monyolenga mwasibiru talking about that igente konya na kibiri kesi na ngonya gorengere ngore yabasaye isa sai gore karon kuru gasiga ya chinsai sato chiabotu kamwenga ya tigantire nchin sokera eranda about ya bamura Wo prostitution na baya bigiriga bosongo.
It's very high in Kisii. Onyamora.
We abana bimyake menge piara be 21. Ose 22.
Abana bakesana. Kwarora mpaka abana watu ba primary ga. Yes.
We. Yani nakumetikora abana. Abana babuate bakoeonia. Bosongo. Abana bake.
Saa 3 no batene ine para.
Abake bobe.
Lero mete no by 6 no bale para.
Nsa no jenza no kwaso otire igo chigosoke igari.
Nogore.
Bamura Mali Street. Abange. Lakini rero iso ngonya koibuli kingonya gutira. Ngonya koibuli nga mbatokali abagoli batayo.
Of course not. Usemba manyeta no nyabara vunki batenirete gari. Lazima tu kuna mnunuzi.
Abagoli abambarabi.
Abagoli mbayo siko kaiga. It's people. It's men. Abasacha bale kusiga hii. Yes, nani wananunua tena?
Wanongaline pikipiki. Kamwa go share information ni ganarora no mungwano yigombo buleti. Agwono conversation ya nere wo. Mungwano yombo buleti. Ekarana mu bolinga ngo koroli gasi botuko bosonga. Agante nganje ncheke ne mugasonga kore binte bya botuko nalinga kora. Botuko nalinga kora bori. Gamubolia. Abana abaye bayariga bosongo nabayabiri agante igabona li down yogina.
It means there's money in town.
Agante down yakinire. Ngamubuli abana balimbalia wake. Agante nyaya bana be university wono ba secretary wono at least mo oni garo sisi chiribuchi ainye nando konya mambia university kebanda kia ya alia begetange na saa kore mirimo ende school mambia kira kore school mambia rare saa 10 saa 1 saa 3 osoire town agante ngana tiga era chuma 3
eromba hiyo
njuchuma go senju
kare weekend ero
njuha ebono ga kuna dio kumanyanga bosongo nereri.
Yes, bosongo bako tabanga nyaga bosongo money circulation is good. Not night life ya bosongo it's very stable. Abantu baba koraje botukomba liko complain. Bosongo is good.
But now ekran to kwandra about university student because abantu abange babere bakatana ba na Vusibe University. Is there a way mwanafunzi wa university boni ara very regulated because tabanga na no botaka bwa beire goro elnembwa wono yankolengia bagire generated yatanya alikurusi usabana bali.
Yes, same thing yenye nilikuambia. Right now society yetu menyeta bonega too much pressure. No reason on social media pressure nero ya tuitire sana.
Ngakiakobe kichianga. Ngakiakobe kana nyarebe. Ngakiakorosi biara.
Ngakiakorosi biara etu kinata getarosi. Akikumbuka kuwa mamu mwabako mwago semi go semi 500 kwa mwa. Enda shule iteko isaini for shopping ngia hostel. Ukienda kuangalia wengine mtu wako chanichi pesa 10,000 20,000 50,000 pressure na unataka ufanani wengine. Wewe mwenyewe ukijiangalia tingo si bianga.
Yes.
mweskenare by the rogorajo utosibeli chianga ngacha kuligere lichi status nganyora kumbe Kisii University yawo som jetina maite.
Yes.
So abantu abange it's pressure. So many girls actually, even boys, it's pressure. Ona kororanga kingo korese igajo metenda isi. Tiniko chikusibeli muntu chianga. Tiniko anda mujengo.
Ankaboli mungwana ngwe pikipiki ngaki. Mbali korosa. Yani agandenga machine teriko era. Kama machine gie. Ande na wakati yangu kibugo. Tigango kibugo nchengira. Tigango kibugo ngira nezo emere moyane. Nkainyora obisiska. Ngakinere motoka so obisiska. Ekigari chiamiga umusikike tagataka gwete kona yo. Bamura barenga amata bamura nabachege. Angora bakotoko bakumuranga. Musikuli akora ki? Akaenda liyo katacheti kuirana mayo. Oyo maga kwananga ngibono ko irolera. Ande nayo kongebeli marago bagali nko ngakane 20. You see now never that is not right. That is not the story. Ba making and abantu bono bachakira to make abusive languages. Eba ku imagine muntu ndi wensi manyaroko ndi wensi naiga koyo. I think timaiti njirate yo matentu aligereti about criminal record of it tukanyaranga teyo. No muntu tene no ndi wensi muntu ntochopiki.
Yes, it's not allowed, but again it's not criminalized. So.
Yes, bono. Yeah. Which is not nega siyango sana. But rendo mwanafunzi kikuwa letirwa school akisoma pressure ya social media tekogera okole bintu bire bikongu ocho sinyunga kikahora irusi sekintu kiri mwete nko bakire habit nko bakire habit onyolenga bono completely in your life
you can't stop
to gas 5,000 a night. Why am I supposed to go and work 9 per month? Asingo kono 10,000 I can make 10,000 in 2 days. You know,
you know it's risky.
It's risky. You will one day get a client otali of your interest.
It's risky.
Onyo mambe na mambe ndengo konyora toli rongo. Okonyora toli rongo. Rongo para. Ronge para otabugati abamoy. So I'm telling these ladies that as long as the business, please consider your life.
Talk to parents.
Now everybody. Let me tell you now.
When you're still in campus, you're still a child.
Yangote biga ikiwana Bible iga bata bago stand no chance. These people are so good to their parents. A parent even can never doubt ingo mwana yangote nali busonga. Umwana gwake simisa 3. Mama mwarage ntuwa no twakore school. Boni gandoche na nje bona timbo atika singo kora na kore. Tiandari. Zatambu yale bakwani bonsi batebina tunotoka ndete na masomo bona habuwa esimeliga no akateli kubukuli kubono chire ngayibono mwebuli ocha ngayuko stand chance mwana on that urali.
That is okay. Hapo I don't blame parents. Mimi bone gaba abayiboli balinko blame sa mwakwani rinchana aradi ne hostel inde na aradi. That is okay. That is a parent mwenye ana shida, because I know abaske bali bonse bagote nagaje street tali bonse babwate shida. You should know that. Kuna wengine wanafanya tu because they want to. Kuna wazazi wengine in campus that these parents wengine bataliko manyanga kuna mahitaji yenye mtu anakuwa nayo akiwa campus. Wajina gotebinga wanakupatia pocket money kama high school. Now in campus kumbuka unaishi nje. Demands zimepanda, umekuwa mkubwa. There are so many things you need to take care of yourself nini. Mbona our parents kusi wote wanajiweza. Lakini at least you have to try to provide for your child. Abayiboli abaita bange bako manyanga keratu arure high school. Tuwabeira bantaba nini. And bado we don't even have jobs. Bado we are still under the care of our parents. Abayiboli tematema boigo ko bwatu kira abana bayino no shopping. At least kwara inyoro mwana ole school.
At least dabeko nalieko ba raisi. Nkonya kubeka torokotera wago kwa MC kuduko tena tikakolera. Tigatunya gotekenya libaka tuike ogimana webo obokong. Ono lisa se ekaroto chikobeka hotel uko ndio kura soma chi big up comment abantu babiri batatu bali bagenda tukunya gotubwati ga se mambe yaboniga, and if you have some you can read them urase side ya gotoyuna ngakiba okwana. Thank you so much Dickson Onkundi bota fan no ale tanya komis Lucy kemtoner no aleme fundo ambao rose bundi agarondoche bonsi mokokoti kurichinse muchi Nairobi abatabona yuko ndani umwalimu Irene kurichinse mochi Amabuko wanatebana Makinight in. Thank you for the good job munaendelea kufanya. Hivi hata kodan au wanatebana noali na show iko konki sana. Thank you so much my brother soko and go to watch. Thank you so much. Na ndonye kae kuroro na bogo share your thoughts go just story na bogo tulikire SMS na bogo tulikire message go just say studio ite mambe yaboniga then tumayuna topic kiiga ya chiana nile naye go say ako kiri mambe iga yabono iga to ndete konya kukwandira letukeliga lyalero Kennedy tuoli abatamna hai nagarondo che James Kabobu nera abatamna hai Brano Yunga abatamna I remember hiyo siku zangu za nyuma Alex nera watamna umenikumbusha mbali sana kanoje nasi bonali nera watana watching live from Chinsa Mochi Utawala Gitunguri mapema ndio best Dorin watana watching from Tasia kanoje Peterson Nyakundi nera watamna ana watch kutoka sehemu za Muhoroni abunna mbali bali Chinsa Mochi ya YouTube. Thank you so much sokonda gotubwatia na boigo you can share our link to people bali Chinsa Mochi iskoga guna barabagenda gotuligireria emambiga yaboneka they call me the king Brian Makinight na wande gaiga na Bridget Kirbo emambiga yaboneka kartucho kubeka otera kwa msikudu turanyo macha keigo tumayakwirana
same by the way ndoche Frank Zappa tara ende break Frank Zappa goteva watching obora inovo kong
Zappa images
Thank you so much Zappa
obora inovo kong.
Yes.
All right.
Another one tuned in ndoche gaiga Dion Warwick Justas agoteva tuned in.
Asante sana Warwick Dion asante sana kwa kutune in mambe yaboni nkwane liwe chairman nkwane bibi ya tajiri Lorraine Justas once bakwani mambe yaboni nte tubuga tukotera uko then tumayakwira na badaya gotera kwa gotera na MC kudu gotera tiga kolera tiga nkubuga toke mambe yaboni iga timato se producer yane ke okonyora na begoto esigno
yes
tumanye ko korra to kwera na lisa to kwanda about abalimu kuruchinse mo cha North Eastern by the way eba chiete TSC igoro Nairobi hapa ile headquarters demonstrating sisi tunataka transfer
Hatutaki
kazi hapa tunataka transfer.
Turo chinge ndonare
bwateragu. Kuira na tole kartonyote otera kwa mzikudu tekora. I think our producer if he is ready we are good to go. Tigakolera. Bali mutigakolera. Tigatonya guskisuki gobaka tukingomote tabero. I know you will be supporting afya yabo lakini ngomote tabero. Is it okay? Let's go. Tigatonya tigakolera MC Kudu we are coming back.
No mo mobe korunya byosi kudu obutaka bwagerire omwabo tokale konya kwangana moigwe obochai mosikita konyara nyasaye bwe meganda yetoigwe ndugu yangu tigago kwa moyo tonya gotegenya mpaka toike matuko make bali bagoto jaya mbachake goteba tobwatisye okaiboro korwenda ya mama nyasaga korenda tikware bara otiga konya korera kanya gotema oryo gotongete tari korara okaiboro korwenda ya mama nyasaga korenda tikware bara otiga konya korera kanya gotema oryo gotongete tari korara Tokakira intubu na mama magosomege mungora bono twairanire mugateba bali bakwete na nyambari koboka inu bono mwakumire mukaigwa buyekero twakirete mochieti komanya ninki totegete etiga koboria ngai twachiete eninki ngotebiege ntogete enjera abateri togachwarire mbaro chibuneye negasigete engakieye igatwara kirire ntutwara somira mbanganagete isho mwatorangeri twachicha twatera mpaka twachigita sibesa mwasangereri mwagacha emwato amarutu anitwa obotaka bwagerire omwabo tokare konya kwangana moigwe obocha mosikita konyara nyasaye bwe meganda yetoigwe ndugu yangu tigago kwa moyo tonya gotegenya mpaka toike matuko make bali bagotaya mbachake goteba tobwatisye okaiboro korwenda ya mama nyasaga korenda tikware mara otiga konya korera kanya gotema oryo gotongete tari korara okaiboro korwenda ya mama nyasaga korenda tikware mara otiga konya korera kanya gotema oryo gotongete tari korara egwaka chisabu na kingo korangete tigandigio musani omanyekanete egwaeta chigurupu orimerete riomoerese buno otagete egwake simya yekoremete ogwatara igweki otagete ogwatokoboria nakio otagete kwa motebia totere ngomagete obe abwate maneja yaye omoe namba iria gambe naye ogwatokoboria gosenora nyare omoachiri kwa misinya tere naye okoba yogo takoborire besa musacha yegwaka maza kuime etokomoya yagaja kokobesa nyasaye ntogoseseriano obutaka bwagerire omwabo tokare konya kwangana moigwe obochai mosikita konyara nyasaye bwemeganda yatoigwe ndugu yangu diga kwa moyo tonya gotegenyeri mpaka toike matukoma ke bari bagotochaya mbachake goteba tobwatise okaiboro korwenda ya mama yasaga korenda tikware mara otiga konya korera kanya gotema orio gotongete tari korara okaiboro korwenda ya mama yasaga korenda tikware mara otiga konya korera kanya gotema orio gotongete tari korara okaiboro korwenda ya mama tikware mara otiga konya korera kanya gotema orio tari korara okaiboro korwenda ya mama tikware mara otiga konya korera kanya gotema orio tari korara.
Oh yes, ninga kwa MC Kudu nagotero kuya kabisa gukuru kuna tiga kurira tiga tunya gusuka igo baka tuike MC Kudu obvious na nagotera nga karatura chake koleta bana muziki ga elisase we will consider bringing this guy MC Kudu kurunya byosi Kudu ana kaite nganya byosi gane elia uchi
nani chana bona kagete
si mata
kumbe nere mata igonga
igonga very nice talented boy
yes igonga by the way nebwata basari pia Don Lee Dan Lee by the way anaendelea aje
Dan Lee bonde ngote yake Dan Lee is very talented.
Yes,
very talented. But image yae korata chitiko consider akanyora fame asegekegeke fame welia nkolengita chitiko nyumane juwe. I think so, and I'm not judging. I'm thinking and I'm just komobekirege ntekinga kidan Lee step up. You have a big talent and we need it.
Dan Lee had a lot of issues. Maka zikafunika talent yake. Mbona igante sijasikia kuna song?
Hata mimi sijasikia nyimbo yake na by the way mambo mingi sana ilimuharibia vitu mingi and I think nyasaye tiganya ko kumukonya atuale watera kuruna around ye watera na lavi the queen watera ntenu mongwana kurukwa nere oyo yitu akodra around ye bintungo chinchibire ngorangora lakini nende se kiabono Dan Lee need to work on himself I really son at least good music.
Yes, because Dan Lee I loved Dan Lee's songs. I think in Kisii montole koli kati
bagatera nechate
Ndemerere chebulande
kora leo como es sana aleo como yo ole mereri bwibunole
no hii ilikuwa about a man mwenye ana kakitu
wana kwa kuchora
yani bona mpaka nante paka kifa I find such a man abonda amoremereri but now Dan Lee used to write nice love songs nchase love songs na musigete sana they were so poetic, so nice.
He was doing good and he's still doing good. I think ngatiyo tomo chali tomo na bora nyale akojikoni anapika
hapana. Dan Lee alianza kupata issues you remember bintu vingenbe achagete ulevi accident sijui nini but really I hope he's coming back.
Irangora egento osu muziki okweni ibo rosi image male macengumbu ogoterelia basungu I was looking at Rayvanny the other day.
Yes.
Anasema kuna wakati nilitamani tu hata nijue kizungu. Siku hizi nikienda kwa wazungu wanatamani selfie kutoka kwangu.
Unaona.
You know? And, that is in a future ya wasanii.
Yes.
So tikaturuga kutoka ende baka chinsemo cha Northeastern. What do you know about Northeastern? Kwara chire Northeastern. Kara ngange experience ya Northeastern. Isa za kwara ta chinsechi. Northeastern.
First of all, weather.
Climate.
Oh, it's very hot. Hot and dry. Tonyoreti hot and dry.
Matino una tuatanga seri tu El Nino. Ba rusiting aliaro ti.
Toroch. Climate ekebe. Hot and dry. Second, umetekere weather ego, food is a problem. Tulikonyora kwa hakuna mvua. Third, no development.
In fact, tikabona ngote embura bono nande kerego tu nande ya tubaka yaba ita.
Ninde bono ego tuembe. Utari bone yito at least ego rato achinsa tuatara tuara rubo gondo.
No manyi tutambe nga usige wikasa kumingo twere 1 hour. Ra tule yakinya sana atwanya.
Sana. Ngo is blessed.
Mwana nya sai tia tukwa kerenga mmono. Amen.
Green.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen. Baba wetu wa mbinguni. Jina lako litukuzwe. Amen. Anyway, ekarto kwandra about chinse machiano Northeastern one gaba alimu and it's for a long time abalimu babiri ba work under scarce conditions.
Yes.
Conditions chitali chingia. Not even teachers abasigali abanta bange.
Yes, it's bad.
Conditions are very harsh. Ebono abalimu bange bali batamenye tubatali abaga.
Na ndo maite to add on top of those harsh conditions, kumbuka insecurity.
Yes, one ere hiyo.
Yes.
Ere hiyo one nene bono yagere transfer nere hiyo. Abalimu bakuru chinse mocha Northeastern. Bono igoro balinge demonstrating lisi chobis chia TSC Nairobi Teacher Service Commission Upper Hill Nairobi no abali bakulikro no chibosi abono hachi.
Yes.
Ebalinga liko bako demonstrate bakatanga etutakete transfer kurua se kurua saiga togenda at least se tole secured about our lives, about our health. Tubata abana batutegemete mbiga siebe yento kana kitu alikukwandira igoro mbiga siebe
bora batware life
bora bana batorole bwa tukurero gurogaiga ntuka kiti tosibole togenda. They are demonstrating and still TSC is not giving it.
But me I feel like sijui kama if the government has failed on matter security, because first of all we are not even supposed to work in our counties. Have that freedom to work anywhere as long as you're a Kenyan. So ingekuwa a good thing for us exchanging cultures. It will be very nice. But now in security Kenya, the government has failed first of all, because unaona hata bandits hakuna mtu anawaweza. So hata hatujui what's happening. Kumbuka at a university, kumbuka Garissa incident, it was a very bad one. Very bad. Healed from that.
Yes.
Our students died pale Garissa because of the same reason. It doesn't have so many people's students. Hata sahi wakiitwa they don't go because of insecurity.
Kiora atiko mwana gaenda.
Kiora atiko mwana.
Abeko very challenge sana. Nyumotara muwatoka abeko very challenge sana.
So sasa kwa sahi, because the government has not managed to deal with that. Can we get teachers from there wa wako huko?
Tigatoire Omochokoro Onyamora ewiki yoka
ntomonyore
bono nturi kumuhira abuna security tokumwira
kuishi na manage lakini umetera rota bwati appetite
experience yara irana garokyo experience kira kima ita irana garokyo ekigura akura sana nani chikiro bakake
ai lakini agotebiri aroga ke bila hata kupenda kwa sweat litukuliba no because Kenya bado government tera nyarago deal with insecurity ncheke ntonali kolingero say have been thinking because these teachers honestly they are suffering ingawa bago suffer and see eti wanalipo pesa mingi kuliko wengine, si we would ama kuna zile hardship allowance we agree but it can't buy your life. Bono ndo konyora teachers from that side pia huko watu hawasomi sana because conditions zenye wameweka hata hakuna mtu mwalimu atakubali kuwafunza. But if they are teachers from that side let them be
the side libasomya wana
na kingote bapiga baba employed.
Do you know ngaikara kwa alikuligiga se bantu mbaleke notice tane karo alikuligiga se bantu kagenda because salary na increase
kuna hardship pale
allowance hardship yene ronta to Omochokoro Onyamora egwe at least yaje ori chibesa hardship igenteke nene gali na no mato bogimabwengami obogimabwengami agocinalia la teresa ngaki obogimabwengami karona chete chinze mechi. So our teachers we understand you and we know mwajiri wenu ambaye ni TSC atasikiza kilio chenu na mtafika hapa songo hata mna you will reach an amicable solution.
Yes, because kweli they are suffering.
Yeah, mtaelewana na mambo itakuwa vizuri sana. Tuatie tsitake sana sasa tushoka tukorumoro video. Azimio leader Oyuru Murai Azimio Moske former prime minister Raila Amolo Odinga baba. Agatanga people misquoted digi kia kwani tenga endorsement of Kalonzo. Anasema yeye akusema hivyo lakini anasema inawezekana.
Alipeana hit.
Yes, inawezekana kwamba hata tukimsupport huyo Kalonzo na watu huko Bwari President Ruto. So abantu bakarba bugoliye point eri bagatanga Raila endorses Kalonzo in 2027. But bono Raila otebirenga ki no enchele mogo trend that I never said that. We will announce our flag bearer ekeroka era ike candidate to ya abuna Azimio a year to election a year maybe 2023 2026 gochiau ekeroko tekera Raila in that kind of way. What comes in your mind?
Politics is a dirty game. Politics is a dirty game. Things can change anytime, but really how old will Raila be in 2027?
Old enough.
Very old, not even old enough, very old. Raila right now ameanza kupunguza hata ile nini yake, ile makali Raila alikuwa nayo kitambo.
Yes.
To compete with their opponent.
There is no any other better. It is only Kalonzo.
Let them
Kalonzo
sit down.
Never be.
Do you think Kalonzo is the best they have in Azimio?
I don't want to think so.
Because the competition is stiff, unaelewa.
Akarukuligire gali. Wana huwe nera yagerera ira. Akuira every time. Nero yagerera kwe. Do you think nabanga mukiniangalia vizuri? Munaona kuna mtu pale.
Wewe unajua history ya Kalonzo vizuri.
Anyway,
up to now. No, do you think Kalonzo nere the best?
But you know
Azimio has to sit down, come back with the best.
But you know, Raila behaves so well when he becomes a kingmaker. Raila, when he becomes a kingmaker, that person who endorses anachukuanga kura. Raila did it to Kibaki and Kibaki won. We don't know. Maybe this time also.
Sema luo Nyanza.
No. Let's maybe think time na ararete battle. Might say we have a president and who is very smart, especially when it comes to politics.
So that's what I'm saying. Azimio has to really sit down. Bado tuko na time mingi sana,
wanajipanga,
so that at least they come up with the best candidate to represent them. Yes, so because we never know this. Sasa bali chagotoko bado elections zitakuwa they will vote.
Lakini sasa amesema kwamba yeye akusema kwamba anaendorse Kalonzo. Yeye amesema kwamba aliquote kwamba inawezekana tufanye huyo Kalonzo na bado akuwe mshindi. So msipanic kwa sasa mapema. Kitu inafaa mfanye nyinyi relax.
Kwanza Azimio unajua inakuanga tu prioritize Raila is the best candidate they have for over years.
Kwanza abantu kurutsinse mu cyaro cyamate bakwimagine if Raila is not on the ballot, we have no reason to vote. Anyway, kikigani jamani,
is it a win in the music industry ya Kisii ama ni aje? Like mimi nimeona kiki mingi zimeanza tiga wotero kuno kwane akima wotebanga kwane mimi ndio niliproduce, mimi ndio nilicompose. Then suddenly we find kumbe ilikuwa song
Romo teacher
kumbe ilikuwa song, it wasn't beef ya ukweli. So hiyo kiki sijui kama inasaidia Kisii, sijui kama imeingia mjini, I don't know. Tunaikubali, tunaona sana. And what else in Kisii before I even move out of Kisii?
Gani?
Musicians.
Of that, I remember the akwandeteke muntu actress yesterday ilikuwa birthday yake.
That is an actress.
Ilikuwa birthday yake, niliona wasanii wamempost. Basi unajua ukikuwa tajiri sometimes unaanza ku attract marafiki.
Kabisa.
Hata wale wenye walikuwa
yani wanakuja tu.
Yes, wanakuja tu. Tajiri apingwi.
Kitutafute pesa jamani.
Tajiri hana mpinzani.
tutafute pesa because kwanya koromo family member ile ino igwate chipesa nkakagocha
baswahili bagote baiga
hata sipo make sense kwa family meeting.
Sasa sikiza waswahili wanasema kwamba tajiri hanuniwi
aki
nanunia tajiri nini?
Yani hata akiongea ujinga kwa family meeting, that is what we will work with.
Na nini ya kununia tajiri jamani? Kiubwate.
Na usijaribu kumpinga. Usijaribu. Wewe family member mwenye akona pesa na achate venga ki.
Ako nyore last but
one but utaongea kitu. So
let's we just say happy birthday. You know, sasa wewe sahi inabidi tu watakunyamia kwa sasa hadi mwingine atoke. And one kinaro che in her birthday harusitima mwabaka muira na Mombasa.
Remember to treat our parents